So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Wednesday, the 27th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices. So, we were saying that we were in a bit of an uptrend. A bit of an uptrend was developing on the XAUUSD. We did see the break above this trading channel here, above this 1263. Lower the trading channel being around 1251. We did see a retest of the 400 period moving average from above, and we did look poised for upside continuation. We were looking to see how prices react towards that 1270. Now, prices did come towards that 1270, and we didn't see any reaction at all. We did see a bullish move, a bullish continuation pattern, and we have seen this bullish move to the upside. We didn't see any weakness around 1270. We're expecting the far end of range to be in around that 1276, 1279, as we can see. We've got 1276 marked out here on the charts. We did trade as high as, let's just see, so we've got the high was 1276.06, and we've got 1276.02 marked out on the charts. So it's pretty much trade to the exact level, and that was on a Friday the 22nd of December. Trade to the exact level, 1276, and we did go into a bit of a consolidation. Now, what we did see was a bit of a gap up in prices on the 26th, and we didn't go into a bit of a gap fill to test at 1276. What we have seen is a bullish continuation. Now, in light of our gap up is somewhat of a bullish sign, and we have seen the continuation as well. So we do look poised for a test of 1284. We have come close, but we've not had a proper test of 1284. So let's just drag this chart over a bit to get scale on here correct. Now, we would be looking to see how price react was at 1284. We've not quite got up there before we have seen some sell side momentum come into the market. So again, we might have a bit of a pullback down towards this possibly 20 period moving average. A test of 1284. If we're not able to hold 1284, very next level we'll be targeting is 1279 for potential bounce and a continuation to test at 1284, possibly beyond going to at 1288. If, however, we do not see bullish buy side momentum come into the market at 1279, we'll see our price direct in around this gap fill in around 1276. See if we do see some bullish buy side momentum take us back to 1279 and possibly up to 1284. If, however, we do break down from 1276, we're looking to see our price direct towards that 1270. This level marked out here on the charts. Again, we're looking to see our price direct towards that 1270, where we do see some bullish buy side momentum come into the market to just 1279, 1276, 1279. And a breakdown from 1270, we'll be targeting 1263. Don't anticipate 1270, 1263 coming into focus unless there is a greater degree of market volatility here on the 27th. We're in a bit of a low volatility period at present, so possibly the far end of range being around that 1270. Unless we do have a catalyst, I wouldn't anticipate 1263 coming into focus. Now, if we do see the bullish buy side continuation upwards, let's just have a look at levels that we could be looking for. So, bullish continuation upwards. Now, if we do see a bit of a pullback, we do look poised for a pullback at present. So, a pullback down towards 1279. We do see bullish buy side momentum taking us above this 1284. Very next level we'll be targeting is around 1288. If we don't see a reaction around 1288, possibly sell side momentum take us back to 1284 and possibly down to 1279. We're looking to see prices head towards the very next level. Next major level that we'll be looking for is 1296. To see our price react towards at 1296. 1296 was the previous level that we were at before we did see a bit of a sell-off. A sell-off all the way down into the 1230s. So in around at 1296. We'll look to see how if prices do head into that consolidation, or we do see a breakdown from 1296, possibly down to 1288 and 1284. If we do see, let's see where we are, 1296. I don't anticipate prices moving beyond 1296 to be honest, but I move beyond 1296. The very next level is a pretty obvious level. We'll be looking at 1300. Now, let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the XAUUSD. On the XAUUSD, let's get scaled on here correct. As we can see, we came down towards that 1230s. We've come down towards just below this 1243. We have seen this very strong move. Let's just get a scale on here. So we've seen this very strong move, a pretty strong, persistent and consistent move to the upside. Ideally, it is an ideal trend for us. It's an ideal trend to analyze. We've got very strong candles closing near their highs, and we've had a gap up as well. And a bullish candle has followed it as well. So we do look poised for more upside continuation. And we have mentioned levels that we are looking at. See, in around 1296, we did see that sell off previously, and beyond that, we're looking for 1305. Now, let's just have a look at the weekly chart before wrapping up here. So on this weekly chart, what can you see here? So we've got a low down here, we've got a higher low there, we've got a low there as well, so we've got a higher low. This move here in the middle, bit of an anomaly, bit of a double top there. We've had a move to the upside towards that 1357, well, up towards 1357, coupled with the 400 period moving average. We've seen a bit of a pullback, consolidation, a further pullback, and now we do look poised for a reversal. So we've got a series of higher lows, so we do look poised for a reversal here of this trend to the downside. So we do look poised for upside continuation on the XAUUSD. Now, let's just have a look at the monthly chart before wrapping up here. So on this monthly chart, got our lows down here. We've got a slightly higher low there. We do look poised to put in a slightly higher low as well. So possibly that upside momentum to continue. Possibly upside momentum to continue if we don't see a further breakdown in prices here on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that's wrap up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.